everyone, and welcome back to Art Time After Rhyme Time with Miss Nuja. My name is Miss Choate, and if you're new to my videos, what we do is we make art out of the simple things we have around our house or outside. And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be focusing on the letter H. And for H, we're going to make a hedgehog. And for this hedgehog, you're going to need either a brown piece of paper, a brown piece of cardboard as our base. And we're gonna go gather some leaves, and those are gonna be the fur or that texture of the hedgehog. So go gather some supplies, which is brown paper or cardboard, and some leaves from outside. You might need some glue then. You can also put it on a popsicle stick if you want to be a little puppet. So let's go gather our supplies and get started. When you're gathering your leaves, you can do any color you want. I decided to go for my red bush, and there's ones that have like different kind of color variations. Try to pick lots of different types of leaves when you're going out there. Also different sizes for different parts of the hedgehog's body. That way you get a really interesting hedgehog. So the first thing you do after you gather your leaves is you're going to look for your background paper. So the paper that's going to be the body of your hedgehog. Now I said if you have brown paper, also if you have a book like this book I've been using for many projects has been falling apart, and so I'm repurposing it instead of just putting it in the recycling because it can't be donated, it's falling apart. Or, you know, brown paper, orange paper, whatever color you want, or some cardboard. But I actually just accidentally took out the recycling because I don't have any cardboard. So we're gonna be cutting the shape of our hedgehog first. And so like I said, you can do any color paper or cardboard. So let's go ahead and draw the shape of our hedgehog. It has a pointy nose, and then it comes down and it has a rounded body. This part is where we're going to cover it with leaves, and we can go ahead, we can draw our nose on right away. We can draw on our eye, or if you have a googly eye, you can put a googly eye on there. And now we're ready to cut out our hedgehog. So it's kind of like a balloon shape or an almond shape or the shape of an eye. And you don't have to be too particular with the shape. If it comes out different, that's totally fine. When we add our leaves is when it's really going to come to life. So there we go. And now we can play with arranging our leaves first. So you might want to start with some big ones lower and then do the smaller ones towards the face. But we're going to start with back end first and then layer on top. And you could cut your leaves if you want to. Depends on the shape that you have. Think about the direction the leaves are going. We do want it to look like it's fur. And we don't want any of the paper or cardboard to show through. And you're just going to keep on going until it's full. And you could have done different colors if you have brown leaves, but I saw this red bush and I was like, this is perfect. So now that I'm getting closer to the face, I can start to do some smaller leaves. You can even play with what side of the leaf you have showing. And I'm not putting glue on the whole thing, I'm actually just putting it at the bottom. That way these are kind of a little loose. And this can be as abstract or realistic as you want. So now I'm going to really move into some tiny ones. I think I'm going to do a few more right here at the top, and then I'm almost done. Maybe one more to cover the stems. Yeah, right there. There we go. So now, oops, I forgot a mouth. Let me give this guy a little smile. Now, if we want to make it a puppet, we can attach it either to a popsicle stick. If you don't have a popsicle stick, I couldn't find one. You can tape a pencil on the back. And this is where if it was on cardboard, it wouldn't be curling up as much. I'm just going to put a little piece of tape on my pencil, and I can always take my pencil back once, you know, if I don't want it to be a puppet anymore. But there we go. I have a puppet hedgehog. So I hope you had fun making your hedgehog puppet with leaves, and I can't wait to see how yours turned out. If you want to share it, go ahead and post on the Winfield Public Library and go ahead and tag myself, Marisa Choate of Choate Studio, so I can see it, because I can't wait to see everyone who's been making these projects and how did your hedgehog turn out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Winfield Public Library so you get notified of more videos when they come out. I make a new craft every Tuesday, or you can go ahead over to my YouTube page, Art with Miss Choate, and I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!